Alright guys, we got a 2006 Nissan 370z. Put a whole exhaust kit on it. Catback kit. It's all titanium, starts right there. Wise into a single. All the way down, all titanium. Mid resonator, rear muffler. Blue flamed right there. And it comes with the silencer. We did not put it in, left it out. And then there's the old kit that was on it. The X-pipe, Wise back out, and then into the muffler. Right there. There you guys go. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell.
There's sound decibels on it again. 106. Perfect. Again. Bro, 127. That's sick. Again. Go on and back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. .370z, all titanium exhaust.